Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Studio and placing a script where the interaction belongs. This is why you skipped basic setup. Locate an RBX script signal such as game, players, player added, or a GUI event, then reference it in code. Once done, write signal connect function param end to bind a handler. This attaches your function to the event so it runs each time the event fires. Make sure the script type, server versus client, matches the event source for correct behavior. Next, implement the middle logic. Define the function body to process event arguments and game state. If you need to stop listening later, assign the return value. Local con equals signal connect function. End, so you can call con disconnect when done. Use named functions for reuse or wrap connection logic with checks to prevent multiple identical connects. Also add simple debouncing inside the handler if the event can fire rapidly, which prevents accidental repeated behavior and memory pressure. Finally, run the game and play or start server to validate your connect handler executes. Use print statements to confirm parameter values. When the listener is no longer needed, disconnect it explicitly, for example during player removing or cleanup routines, to prevent memory leaks and duplicated behavior. If your event never fires, inspect the output for errors, ensure the script lives in the correct context, server versus client, and verify you reference the exact event name. That fix resolves most silent failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.